When all of your current period transactions are complete, you're ready to make a copy of the data for each of your companies. You can copy your data using company maintenance to have a backup for your company. You'll go into Library Master, into the main menu, into Company Maintenance. You'll need to create a company code. So let's say I want to say period end 1. And I'll say this is backup for, in this company, this company happens to be the end of May, so I'll say May and whatever year it is. Now I'm going to go to the copy button, and it tells me that copying individual modules that are integrated with other modules may cause unexpected results, and integration with any copied company should be reviewed. So that's just word to the wise. Now we need to save this company data, which is putting in the company PE1. And then I need to identify the company that I'm copying. Now you can copy all modules or only selected modules. And you can see here that by default, all of the modules are copied. Now you can copy any company at any time to make a backup of it. And let's say that we want to copy all of these modules. So I'll let them all be selected and just proceed. And it'll ask me if I want to copy, and I'll go ahead and say yes. And it's copying all that data, and you can see that you're getting feedback that the modules are being copied. Now, if you're going to end up producing documents against this company, which might be in payroll, quarterlies, or in 1099s for accounts payable at the end of the quarter or at the end of the year, please be sure that you make sure that the legal information, the company information, any IDs are also coded correctly. So in this case, we didn't have an address that came over. If we had a trade name or tax ID, we'd want to make sure that that was completed. But just for our safeguard, to make sure that we have a complete copy of our data, we really have it at this point. So if I accept this, and if I change companies to that PE1 company, and let's just say I'll go into General Ledger, go into the main, go into Account Maintenance. And if I use my lookup, I can see that there's data there. Now you may want to even run the trial balance to make sure that you've got a good backup. Again, you're really wanting to make sure that all the data that you've got coming from that other company is copied here. Now I'll just let it default and preview. I even might want to run a trial balance in every module to make sure that it's the same in the copied company as well as the source. In this case, it looks like I'm in good shape. So now I know that I've tested, I have a good viable backup that I can get back to and can restore if necessary.